Just like the body, our mind also needs daily exercise to stay strong, active, and, most importantly, in constant growth. And the good news is that this has nothing to do with your genetics or what you learned in school. Intelligence can be developed, worked on, and, over time, expanded. But how do you do that? What habits can we cultivate to become smarter every day? Today, I'm going to tell you about 15 habits that can transform your life and increase your intelligence. Read every day. It seems simple, right? But reading every day is one of the most powerful habits you can develop to improve your intelligence. Reading expands your mind, opens doors to new ideas, stimulates creativity, and broadens your vocabulary. And it doesn't have to be just technical or heavy books. It can be a novel, a biography, or even an interesting article online. The important thing is to expose yourself to new perspectives and information. Want a tip? Try reading something you don't understand very well or that challenges your worldview. This forces your brain to think in different ways and helps expand your horizons. Practice meditation. You may have heard about the benefits of meditation for well-being, but did you know it can also make you smarter? Meditation is a practice that trains your ability to focus and calm your mind. It teaches you to pay attention to the present, which, in turn, increases your concentration. The more you can focus, the more information you can absorb and process. Studies show that people who meditate regularly have better problem-solving skills and make more conscious decisions. If you think meditation is just emptying your mind, try to reconsider. Question everything. The habit of asking questions is one of the most underrated when it comes to intelligence. Have you noticed how children are always asking why? It's natural because they are learning about the world. However, as we grow older, we tend to ask fewer questions and accept things as they are. How about reviving that curious side? When you question something, you challenge your mind to go beyond the obvious and explore the reasons behind an idea. This can be applied in any area of life. Why do things work a certain way? Is there a better way to do this? These questions spark your critical and creative side, which are essential for developing intelligence. Have a balanced diet. Here's a point that many ignore. What you eat directly affects your mental capacity. Foods rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins are known to improve brain function. On the other hand, processed foods, full of sugar and unhealthy fats, can slow you down, harming your memory and cognition. Make sure to include foods like nuts, fish, avocado, berries, and dark leafy vegetables in your diet. They're like premium fuel for your brain. It's like the saying, you are what you eat. So, feeding your mind good things also starts on your plate. Learn something new every day. Our brain loves challenges. When you learn something new, you create new neural connections and strengthen your reasoning skills. This doesn't mean you have to learn a new language or master a complicated skill all at once. Small daily learnings, like reading an interesting fact, watching an educational video, or trying to understand a complex concept, already make a big difference. Think of each new piece of knowledge as a puzzle piece you're putting together over your lifetime. At first, it may seem challenging, but over time, each piece fits together, and you realize you've become more skilled and confident. Get enough sleep. Sleep is another critical factor for intelligence. During sleep, our brain processes the information we acquired throughout the day, strengthens memories, and repairs the body. When you don't get enough sleep, you're impairing these functions. Science has already proven that lack of sleep directly affects concentration, memory, and decision-making ability. In addition, sleeping well improves mood and creativity. In other words, sleeping is not just a luxury, it's a necessity for keeping your brain sharp. Here's a tip. Create a routine to go to bed at the same time every night. Your body and mind will thank you. Exercise regularly. Now you might be wondering, what do physical exercises have to do with intelligence? It turns out that exercise is not only good for the body but also incredible for the brain. When you exercise, you increase blood flow to the brain, which promotes the growth of new brain cells. Additionally, physical activity releases endorphins, which improve your mood and reduce stress. And, let's face it, a happy and less stressed brain works much better, right? Whether it's an outdoor walk, a yoga session, or a gym workout, get moving. Cultivate good friendships. Believe it or not, the quality of your social interactions also influences your intelligence. Engaging in stimulating conversations with friends, exchanging ideas, listening to other perspectives, and even debating complex topics are ways to exercise your brain. After all, you've probably noticed that after an enriching conversation, you sometimes leave with your mind buzzing with new ideas, right? And that's fantastic. In addition, maintaining healthy friendships helps reduce stress, which, as we mentioned, is great for the brain. Solve puzzles and mental challenges. Want a fun way to become smarter? Solve puzzles, logic games, or math problems. These challenges force your brain to think outside the box and find creative solutions to problems. There are many brain game apps available, but the good old Sudoku or Rubik's Cube are already great starting points. By stimulating your brain with these challenges, you improve your ability to solve everyday problems. Have a creative hobby. Having a hobby is more than just a way to relax, it's a way to stimulate your creativity and improve your intelligence. Painting, writing, playing a musical instrument, or even gardening are activities that make your brain work differently, outside of the daily logic. And creativity isn't just an artistic skill, it's a way of viewing the world and solving problems innovatively. By dedicating time to creative hobbies, you're training your mind to think more flexibly. Practice gratitude. This may seem a bit unusual on a list of habits to improve intelligence, but gratitude can indeed make a difference. When you practice gratitude, you train your brain to focus on what's positive and what's working well in your life. This shifts your perspective and reduces stress, allowing you to make clearer and more intelligent decisions. And a calm brain is a brain that thinks better. A good practice is, at the end of the day, to write down 3 things you are grateful for. Small shifts in perspective can have a huge impact. Explore new cultures. Traveling is one of the most enjoyable ways to expand your intelligence. But it doesn't have to be just physical travel. You can explore new cultures by reading about them, watching documentaries, or even trying new foods. When you open yourself up to new ways of living and thinking, you challenge the boundaries of your own knowledge. This helps develop empathy and cognitive flexibility, 2 essential skills for broader and more intelligent thinking. As they say, the world is the best teacher. Practice self-reflection. Self-reflection is the habit of looking inward and evaluating your own actions, thoughts, and emotions. When you self-reflect, you better understand your mental patterns, motivations, and where you can improve. This makes you more self-aware, which is crucial for developing emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, by the way, is what helps you deal better with people and situations in life. Take a little time each day to reflect on how your day went, what you learned, and how you can do better tomorrow. Set clear goals. Smart people don't just let life happen. They set clear goals and work to achieve them. This doesn't mean you need to have everything planned out, but having a sense of direction helps your brain focus on what's important and avoid distractions. A goal can be something small, like reading a book a month, or something bigger, like learning a new skill in 6 months. The important thing is to stay motivated and give your brain an objective to work toward. Avoid procrastination. You know that moment when you know what you need to do, but you keep delaying it? That's procrastination, and it can be a big enemy of intelligence. When you put off important tasks, you accumulate stress and anxiety, which hinders your brain's ability to function efficiently. Moreover, procrastination prevents you from taking advantage of learning and growth opportunities. A trick to avoid this is to break big tasks into small parts and commit to doing a little each day. You'll notice that, little by little, everything comes together. These habits may seem simple, but they have a huge impact on how your brain works and develops. Implementing them into your routine can transform the way you think, solve problems, and approach the world. Remember, intelligence is not a fixed gift, it's built over time, day by day. And you have all the power to expand yours. If you're committed to your personal development and want to keep evolving and leveling up, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Here, I always bring practical and powerful content to help you keep growing. And if this video helped you in any way, make sure to leave a like so that more people can be impacted as well. In the description, you'll find links to books that I've carefully selected, works that can completely transform the way you think and act. It's definitely worth checking out. And don't leave just yet. Take a look at the suggested videos here on the screen. They will help you even more on your personal development journey. See you there.